Jazzy dog.
You ready, huh?
What are we doing today, Jazzy?
Thanks for pulling up, mate.
I'm here. What are we doing today?
Well, it's my friend's birthday, so I want you to give him a ride in a GTR because it's his dream car.
That's gonna be sick.
He's never been in one or anything. He doesn't even know, so.
So we're gonna surprise him for a ride in the GTR, guys.
Yeah, he's gonna be hyped. I'm gonna hop in the back seat and it'll be lit. But.
All right, let's do it. Well, what's up, guys? They watching another video. Like Chazzy said, we're about to surprise this homie. A GTR is his dream car, and you guys know the GTR was my dream car too.
we gotta inspire him, bro.
I know. I'm sure he's gonna be hyped. If he's ever been in one, he's gonna think my car's super fast. So
yeah, bro.
Oh my god. Bro, I can't even believe this, bro.
He's hyped.
He's hyped, dog.
My dream car, bro. This is wild. I'm like scared to get in. Get in, bro.
You gotta get in.
Bro, my legs are so weak, bro. I feel big in this
Yeah,
car.
it's a little tight, but.
Yeah, it's a little tight, but you know.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man.
Bro got socks under. This is wild.
Oh, he could drive it. We go somewhere.
Oh yeah? Alright, well,
Okay.
you can drive it then.
You could drive it, bro.
yeah, yeah.
You could drive it. I swear.
Hey, but you gotta experience it.
You have to drive it, bro. It's such a fun car.
I can't even believe this
sir.
car right now, bro. Like, feel my heart, dog. It's beating out my chest.
Bro.
Bro. This is literally my dream car.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro.
Appreciate y'all. bro.
Thank you, bro.
You only got with the M3, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Damn, bro, they know who you are. That's crazy. Bro, this is crazy.
Is your dream car?
This is my dream car, bro. Like, bro, the homie won't even believe it. There's stars on the roof. This shit is crazy. Bro, this is crazy, bro. I'm in my dream car, bro. There is no way. There is no fucking way. Oh, shit. Bro, this shit is wild. Oh, shit.
Don't worry, bro. Hey, we gotta go to the freeway, bro. We gotta show what this thing about.
This shit is lit. Bro, my fucking heart, bro. How old were you when you got this?
I think I was 24.
Bro, I'm 25, bro. God damn. Bro was in his bag. Oh shit, there's a stop sign right. Bro, holy fuck. Bro, yeah, that shit fast as fuck. Bro, this shit is as fast as I thought it'd be too. I told niggas, I said, bro, this car pushes, nigga. They're like, why do you want it so bad? I said, bro, this is the dream car, bro. Oh, bro, I told people once I make it in life, this is the first luxury purchase.
It's the best car,
yeah.
Bro, yeah. I still can't believe I'm in this car.
Hell yeah, boy.
Yeah, bro, I literally can't believe it.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
It's so fun, bro.
Appreciate you guys, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate both of y'all, bro.
Of course.
This nigga got the stars on the roof.
My bike car.
God damn, make it look like everybody's going 20, nigga. You can hear the flames and everything. Bro. That's it crazy, bro.
Go drive it, bro.
Alright, man, bro, my heart, nigga.
It's hard to not drive it like a normal car, bro.
Yeah.
It's impossible. It's impossible.
You just want to step on it all day. You might just drive it back to the mall.
Yeah?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah. Oh, bro, hold on my fucking chest. Alright, we're holding this bitch with both hands, bro.
Just embrace it. Don't even rush.
I can't even believe it, bro. Like I'm sitting in this bitch, and I just sit in this bitch. You know, I wouldn't even, bro. I'd just be like, oh yeah, we're here. Been waiting for this shit my whole life, bro.
I think right there goes a little straight. You can probably step on it.
Alright, holy shit, bro. God damn. These shoulders are like tingling. Bro,
bro, it's good.
Yeah, bro, this shit lit.
Bump ass shoulders.
Bro, this shit is crazy.
Right now, floor, bro.
Alright, man. Right now?
Yeah, all the way.
my chest, pull it once, bro. What's your daily?
This guy.
Bro, you're fucking lying.
I know.
There's no way. Bro said his daily is a GTR.
We drive everywhere to Vegas.
Yeah, dude, this car's so like reliable.
All these niggas are breaking their necks. Like, I can't believe it, bro. Since I was a kid, bro.
I know, it's so sick.
I have fucking Hot Wheels of this car. Bro, I swear to God. How'd you end up purchasing this, if I may ask?
Just saved up a bunch of money.
Yeah.
And honestly, that, like, sitting in one of them, bro.
Yeah, the motivation,
My friend took me for a ride in one, and I literally made it a goal. Like,
yeah, never
I'm gonna give it like 2 years. I had to get a GTR too.
Yeah, bro. 2 years?
Yeah, so I just started working as hard as I could.
Bro, you did it in 2 years.
Yeah, but after driving, you can do it in 1 year, bro. I know you can do it.
Yeah.
You just gotta.
You just grinding, huh?
Yeah, you just gotta grind and work hard and save money.
Yeah, bro. If you want it hard enough, bro, you'll get it, bro.
And it was like this. It was like literally sitting in someone else's GTR, and I was like, I need one of these shit. Cause I was the same way. It was like my dream car. It still is my dream car, but after my friend gave me a ride, I was like, oh, I need one.
Yeah, bro.
Now I need one for sure.
I think this is what I needed, bro. I need to feel what this shit was like, bro, just to know.
And it kind of makes you want to work harder too.
Yeah, bro. It's different, like being in it than just seeing it, bro. Like,
I'm gonna do whatever the fuck I need to do, bro, to get this shit. Bro, I really appreciate this experience, bro. Bro, this is better than fucking ass, bro. This is better than money. Nigga, this, bro. I see why you do this shit, bro.
I mean, man, like, there's nothing better in it, bro.
My brain is in overdrive right now, like, all right, so what do we gotta do to get it? Like, bro, it's running through everything.
Good.
Or just stay patient, just grind, bro. And it will come to you sooner than you know.
Just stay patient and grind it out. Stars on the roof is crazy. Nigga went wild.
The color.
Hey, be honest, how many bitches has this car loan bagged you?
Classified, it's classified.
Classified is crazy. Look, that nigga in the truck just looking like, what the fuck? I really appreciate you.
Of course, happy birthday, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah, bro, it's a pleasure, man. Thank you. It's crazy, the car, my car, the birthday party comes with this big. See somebody in our age bracket that has it is like, that shit warms my heart, bro. I don't gotta wait till I'm like 35.
Nah, you don't.
You don't, dude.
Yeah, bro, that makes me feel good.
Alright guys, well that was super fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little segment of the vlog. He was so excited, as you can tell. It's his freaking dream car. Like he said, he even had Hot Wheels. What the? Someone's drifting. He said he even had GTR Hot Wheels, guys. It sounds very similar to me. You guys know the GTR was my dream car, and like I was telling him in the car, I remember back in the day, a couple friends let me drive their GTRs, and it just gave me more motivation to work hard and get my own GTR. So same goes for him, same goes for you guys. If you guys want something, put your mind to it. Set a goal and work your ass off and do it, guys. You can do it. I'm telling you, it's possible. He kept telling me, I can't believe you're like in our age range and you have a GTR. Like, he didn't think it would be possible, but it is possible, guys. I promise. Never did I think I'd have a GTR or an F80 or 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, but we made all the goals happen because I set my mind to it. I worked my ass off. I stayed consistent. That's the most important part. Stay consistent and save your money too. That's very important as well. Set your mind to it and make it a goal, guys. It is possible. Don't let anyone tell you it's not possible. It's possible, I promise. I'm glad I got to do that for him. I'm sure he's gonna remember that forever. I love giving people the opportunity to drive this car because I remember at one point I'd never driven a GTR in my life, and when I was able to, it was the best day of my life. Anyways, now we about to head to LA, meet up with Kevin and a bunch of homies, and then we'll see what else we end up doing tonight. Alright, we made it to the car meet, guys. There's a bunch of sick cars. The freaking Lambos here with the duct tape. The duct tape Lambo.
Wait, here, I hit something, my front.
The homie Kevin's here.
Bro, this car's the
crazy Mustangs here.
I know.
This is the craziest Mustang flames I've ever seen.
Loudest car ever.
Loudest car in this whole parking lot for sure.
Anyone two-step.
You guys remember this one? I put it in my vlog once with the exhaust in the middle.
On fire recently too.
Oh my god, this whole bumper's melted, dude. Yeah, this thing is ridiculous. We'll probably see some flames maybe.
Oh yeah.
Maybe later. Thing's sick, guys. Look at this F80. Hella clean. You got the new headlights. These are the headlights I want to do. So much nicer. Another one. Where's F80s everywhere?
I'm so tired of BMWs, bro. I've been seeing BMWs for the last 3 days.
Yeah, yesterday was too many BMWs, guys, at the Beamer invasion. There was so many cars there. I didn't even know there was that many BMWs over
How did
here.
you win the award?
How did I win also? F80s are just so clean. I'm trying to convince Andrew to get one.
Should I get an F80?
Yes, bro, they're fire. Another BMW. A red one.
Someone told me
There's a Viper.
Yeah, there's a Viper. He wants to swing it today too.
And
well, there's more BMWs.
But does some sketcy things, and I.
You'll see, bro. This guy is crazy. This is the red I wanted so bad. Oh, it's Ares. What the heck? What is Ares doing? Coating? Damn, he has white interior?
Yeah. Look at the steering wheel.
Wow, bro, this car is sick. What the?
Yeah.
Dude, I gotta go look at that steering wheel. Bro, wow, look at the steering wheel, guys.
Sick.
Cool race car.
Look, with the M1, M2.
Oh, let me put a light because it's too dark. That's a sick steering wheel. I would do that in my car, to be honest. It looks kind of cool in F80.
Yeah, bro.
That probably feels crazy driving on.
Oh yeah, bro, gave a whole new like experience.
Yeah.
So I'm doing the airbag coatings. I want to
the airbag lights on them.
Yep.
Yeah, I was looking at it.
There's actually a few cars out here. It's pretty sick. Cool little chill meet. There's a freaking Vet. Z06. Whose car is this? I want to ask him if he'll sell it. C6 Z06. This is the one that I want, guys. It's so perfect too in black. And the interior is super nice too. And it's thick. Whose car is this, bro? How much? 92 on TEs. That's fire. I love the bronze. This is the Viper that wants to swing it tonight.
I'm not here. I'm gonna be going home. I'm not gonna be there.
Oh, we go to Mexico. We're gonna make a long drive to Mexico. Wait, that's the homie Hike's car. You guys remember him? He's had the BMW bike, the 1000 that we raced in my GTR. He had that crazy Jeep. I'm trying to think what other cars you've had.
Other cars, I'm
He's had a lot of cars, but he's back and he got a Viper now. I feel like every time I see you, you have a different car, a different vehicle, bro.
Yeah, it's been sitting for almost a year and a half now.
Almost a year and a half? Damn.
Look, not even a single fucking car wash. Whoever put this shit together, I don't know what the fuck he did.
But he wants to drift it. I want to see. Look, he literally drifted it into this parking lot. Or his parking spot. Oh, wait, that's just pink. It's pretty clean. And the G80. Oh, it's literally the same color as Yusuf's. Porsche GT3. This thing's clean. Look at the 240, guys. Wide body. An Evo. Damn, this shit looks fast. I would not race him, bro. He got the drag spoiler on. I want to do this wing on the GTR. I feel like this alone makes it look fast, bro. And then the tires, the wheel setup, the cage. And he got the seats. Yeah, I ain't racing this guy, bro.
I think you're like the same speed.
Bro, I would never race this guy. Look at, he got the hood exit too. Oh, hell no. For sure the turbo's right here, right? Yup, I knew it. Yeah, I would not race him, bro. That shit probably fast as hell. That's clean. That's hella clean. G80. Like Andrew said, I've seen so many BMWs this weekend. I'm chilling. I'm so tired of them. I can't look at another BMW. That's also why I brought the GTR out today too, because I have not driven a GTR in so long. I gotta stop neglecting it, bro. That thing's hard. Damn, bags. That's pretty fire. Wow, that's nice, guys. White with white tees. That is fire. Arion's GTR. Guys, Arion got a new car, by the way. We'll probably not show it in this vlog, but maybe tomorrow's vlog, I'll show you guys his new car. Guess what Arion got? You guys will never guess. Just start commenting down below. What did Arion get? He's been in all my vlogs pretty much. We also had that Hummer. Do you guys remember that crazy Hummer that we were driving? The freaking Humvee, like a military Humvee? He bought that for a little bit. And he also had the GTR. But now he sold the Humvee and he got something even crazier. Something completely different. You guys will see. But yeah, we out. We're about to go for a little cruise. And we're probably gonna see the Viper drift tonight. It's gonna be lit. Sheesh, big baller. After driving that GT3 the other day, guys, I actually really want one now. I've gained the love for Porsches. Yeah, that's, I just looked at that. What is that, bro?
It's candy.
And I've seen this so many times. We always grab candy from there.
Oh, you can take it?
Yeah, you could. That's what David took a bunch last time. You scared?
A little bit.
Why are you scared, bro? Bro, I literally thought the car was on fire, like the huge ass flame. That has to be the craziest flames I've ever seen that come out of a car. Especially because he made the exhaust come out the freaking trunk. fire.
Hustle.
5%. God damn. Yeah, those flames are ridiculous, guys. The flames are bigger than the actual car, bro. There's no way. There's no way. How is it not on fire, bro? Oh my god. We got an idea. We're gonna get the cone and get make some obstacles right here.
Holy shit, I can't believe I met you on the street, dude.
For real, G? Thanks, G. I'm a big fan of you.
Appreciate it, man.
I love the GTR, brother.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Hey, but stop copying me.
Yeah, bro.
Because your car's looking like mine. I'm just kidding.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, holy shit, is that Kevin Lime?
Oh, this is Kevin.
Hey,
Do you watch him
bro?
too?
Big celebrity over there, bro. I see you on the weekends at Beverly, bro.
On Rodeo? Why is my GTR right next to that?
Or you want to go more that way?
We're too close to my car. Bro. Oh my god, bro. Right by the GTR. Bro, you should have parked in the parking spot.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at